Lavender oil is extracted from the lavender plant. Just one bottle of lavender essential oil can be a beauty, health, or a natural perfume by itself. Headaches can occur to anyone at any time. Lavender oil has calming properties, which makes it an excellent tonic for the nerves and anxiety tissues. Just take few drops of lavender oil onto your fingers and massage it onto your temples. It can also be helpful in treating migraines, headaches, depressions, etc. Lavender oil also induces sleep and is thus used as an alternative treatment for insomnia. Lavender oil relieves the stress and anxiety, so inhale the lavender oil and exhale the stress away. Lavender oil can be used as natural perfume. Just take few drops of lavender oil on your fingers and apply it as a perfume. Lavender oil is very useful in aromatherapy and many aromatic preparations and combinations like gels, infusions, lotions, candles, and soaps. It smells heavenly, guys, believe me. Oh my god, pimple breakout! Haha. For all those beauty conscious girls out there, don't worry of pimple breakouts. Just take few drops of lavender oil on cotton and dab it on the pimple. Let it work overnight. Believe me, it will diminish the size of the upcoming pimple to a very great extent. Give your hair a healthy shine and increase their growth as well. Adding few drops of lavender oil into your hair serum and applying it on your strands will give you beautiful and healthy hair, giving a natural shine to them as well, making your hair soft, silky, shiny and manageable. Yes, it improves the hair texture and also it gives a natural fragrance to your hair. Using lavender oil to get rid of dandruff. Lavender oil is useful for hair care because it can disinfect the scalp, thereby reducing the dandruff breakouts. Adding few drops of lavender oil into any carrier oil of your choice and massaging onto your hair will avoid dandruff to a great extent. So go ahead and heal your scalp and say bye-bye to the dandruff. Lavender oil also relieves pain. This oil is known as an excellent remedy for curing those sore and tense muscles. A regular massage with this oil can provide relief from pain. It has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties into it. So go ahead and heal yourself. Lavender oil as a moisturizer. Yes, you can add few drops of lavender oil into any moisturizer of your choice to get rid of dry patches or wrinkles. This oil has anti-aging properties into it. You won't believe, the insects hates the smell of lavender oil. So the lavender oil becomes a natural insect repellent too. Applying lavender oil on exposed skin will prevent irritating insect bites as well. And you can also add few drops in your bath bucket to disinfect your skin. Truly, the lavender oil's versatility is highly matched. So go ahead and indulge yourself with a bottle of lavender oil today itself. Thank you for watching this video. And yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button with the bell notification on before leaving. Hope to see you in my next video.